So this is the design of Spain. The big difference is the fact that kat sini dia design dia kurang and kat sini design dia lebih besar. So it really depends on how you want to wear them. You can either wear this side on top of your head so that you nampak macam it's a bit lighter, and then as you turn, dia punya design part besar is on the chest. So I like to wear the plain part atas kepala. So you keep dia punya atas sini plain, and kat belah bawah je ada design, and you can adjust accordingly if you want to have more design on the head or more design on the bawah. So if you want more designs dekat atas dada, so you take the other way round, macam ni. Put the plain punya part on the head. So belah dalam dia dah settle. So you take the more colourful punya part, you tarik. You're done. So you can see all the colours. So this is how I wear them when I was in Spain.